Cattle farms are found in all 50 states, but have a lot of misconceptions surrounding them. One thing that you might have heard is that cattle have 4 stomachs. Cattle actually have 1 stomach and 4 compartments to the stomach. This is important to digestion for cattle. These compartments allow for cattle to properly digest grass and hay, which is a main part of their diet. How do they do this? It's the first compartment that they have, called the rumen. It ferments the grass and hay and breaks it down to make it more usable for the body. They need this extra step because the grass and hay is hard for monogastrics, like the stomachs we have, to process them, since grass has longer fibers that need longer to break down and the correct microbes. Another thing that cattle are known for are their meat production. Everyone loves a good steak or a hamburger. We are able to have these products mainly because of diets fed to the cows and genetics. While we talked about how cows eat grass and hay, they can also get fed grain such as corn, soybean meal, oats, and many other mixtures. This helps them to gain fat and will help to give our meat the flavoring that you might have heard of called marbling. Marbling is the white lines that you can see on uncooked meat, which helps to give the steak more flavor and to make it more tender. Another factor in marbling is the genetic factor. There are some breeds, such as Angus and Wagyu, that are known for their marbling in the meat products. We also use genetics to select the best breeds for certain locations, since there are cattle breeds that will do better in the heat and some may do better in the cold. So if you live in Florida, which is where it's hot most of the year, you could choose a breed like the Brahmins who can withstand those temperatures. We can also select for things like calmness and mothering abilities, and we can also use traits from 2 breeds, and the offspring will have the traits from both the parents and may have an increase in the production quality. This is known as heterosis. There's a lot more to learn about cattle production, so if you'd like to learn more, reach out to your local extension office or your local 4-H educator or local producers to learn more.